5, Bristol Total. We will start our next game at 1 o'clock and 1:03. 1:03. Can we have our Pansit Canton to officiate this game, please? Team Pansit Canton. Again, let's have our Pansit Canton to officiate the game, please. Thank you. O3. This will be our game number 5 for the season. Troy. Sana. Tuloy-tuloy naman eh. Tuloy-tuloy naman tayo. Tapusin na natin yung Ellens. Thank you so much. Our officials for this game is brought to you by Pansit Canton. So how are you, Soy? Good. It's been a long time. Ini. naman. Okay siya, yeah. Kim naman. Leaders, let's have our medal toss for this game. Medal toss, yes. Kasi mayaman tayo. Asan yung medal? Alex! Asan yung medal, Alex? Alex? Yung medal, friend. Friend, yung medal na dito daw. Yan na naman. Nagigigil ako sa'yo. Wala! Yung medal, yung nagawa yung gano'n. Ako bukuha ka lang ba siya po? Nakala ko na lang spare. Next time nagagala ko ng medal. Captains, Camille Angeles and Renan Alcazoa, coming over. Yeah, wanna baby. Woo! Oh. Sabihin mo, mamano ba natin? Ano nga ito yung parating na no show? Pero kayo nag-present, o baka naman. Camille! 10, 9, 8. Eh, nag-practice ng position tapos nag-default. Who to serve for this game? Service, wall pack from Bristol. Sige, ito naman, nawala. Bang, isang bekel yan. Okay, ready? Guys, ready na yung kabila, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rep, you can start. Service number 8. Alam mo yung ganun? Set by number 8, attacking. Set by number 8 again. Set by number 8. Nakita mo yung kamay niya, yung left hand niya, gumanon sa ere, no? Sige, di ba? Ay, iba ba? Set by counts. 3 ball for the Wolfpack. Set by 8. Number 4, block by the net. Yes, may nakita tayo pagpapalik. Number 24, by the net. Nice receive. Christian again. Number 18. Kulang ng mga 3 inches. 3 inches katalon. Pasok yun. Service number 4. Wow! Let's commend the sushi roll of Chantal. Love it. Service number 4 from Wolfpack. Uy! Service error. 2-3 in favor of the Wolfpack. Featuring the Eagles. Wolfpack Eagles. Lahat talaga lang ng Eagles sa dulo. Wolf Girls. Ayan na nga. Ayan na nga. Dinutasan kayo ng Renan daw. 2-4 in favor of the Wolfpack. Kikita. Iba kapag ka nakokontrol lang tos. Service from Chris. Ooh. Wolf back, giving us an A service. Pagka kasi nice. Uy! Shot down! Denied by the air. 2 and 6. Service by Chris. Set by Cam. Attack by AJ! Parang ball. Nakita ko ball. Then, ball nila. Net touch by Wolfpack. Set by number 7. Service by number 8. Nice service. Uy! Uy! Ang ganda naman ng net. Nagbabounce. Minsan lang mag-bounce yan. Usually, walang ano yan. Service number 8. Uy! Uy! 5-6 in favor still of the Wolfpack. Pero humahabol ang ating Pancakes. Nice service. Ganun for the attack. Habol out. Hindi nakabol. Konti na lang, mga 3.5 cm na lang natakbo. Konti na lang yun eh, I know. Kung pinolfin na yun, bakit yung salvage? Set by Cams. Pinatake! Pinatake. 24! Wow! Wow, the 24, it's giving. It's giving an outside spiker. I love it. Yeah, you're giving. 10 pounds. Uy! Ayun na nga. 6-8. Service by the Pancakes is still in favor of the Wolfpack. Nice service. Patay na bola. There you have it. Set by Cams. 18. Free ball. Set by Cams. Go Luis. There you have it. Kaya ba lang ka? Sabi na Luis, kaya ba lang? I-over ko lang ito, girl. Iba ang matangkad, mag-Jennifer, mag-bata. Ako kasi mag-Jennifer, hindi lang. Okay. Free ball. Lovely. Set by number 8. Jen to attack. Set by Cams. Number 18. Butas pa. No. Free ball. Set by Cams. Luis again. Set by number 8. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Set by 24. Free ball. Set by Cams. Attack by 18. Outside! Chicago Bulls. Ano lang. Inover. 7-10 in favor of the Wolfpack. Nice jump serve by 24. Nice rolling and dolphin by number 13. Outside. Ganda niya ng dolphin niya doon. Sa pangalan na yan. Kaya ko kasi libo. Service number 18. Received by 24, set again by 8. Number 4, Diwata. Set by Cams. Oy! Gina Banyo. Yung best actor. yung acting last time. Blocked by the net. God. Kasi basket naman. Nasa ulo kasi. Service by Jen na naka-color blue. Na Katie. Katie ba yan, Des? Yes, there is. Set by number 8. And Chris. Inside. 9-12 in favor of the Wolfpack. Service Jen. Set by Cams. Uy! May naramdaman akong tumamang jersey. Bago mo bumayo yung bola. That score goes to... That score goes to the Wolfpack. 9-13. Set by Cams. Uy! Uy! Ibinigay ni Renan. Set by Cams again. Okay. Ay! The ball touches Candor. 10, 13. May usap ng kape ha. By the way guys, may kape sa labas. By Kat. Set by Amy. Roy! Oy! Okay. 3-point tie. Charis. Receive set by 8. Wow! Sabi ni Chris, hindi ko kailangan bayuhin. Kung kaya mo namang ibaba, ba't mo ba bayuhin? Ba't ko kailangan i-address? I saw lang ng pancake, talaga pa din. Whatever happens, I'm for Chantal. Chantal for the pancake. Woo! Pag nagpapantiis yung iba, hindi nag-i-slide. Nai-stuck sila. Parang walang oil, sabi gano'n. 11-16 in favor of the Wolfpack. First set. Pero parang series na. Itong mga to. Record for the set. Free ball. Comes for the set. Oh! Hey! Look! Free ball. Free ball for the net. Woo! Chris for the block. Oy! Number 18 for the Eagles ball. Nice and five for the outside. Pero still natira, alam mo yun, F1. $11-19 in favor of Wolfpack. Bristol. Nice. Receive. Set. Meron po ba? No! Is that number 5 or number 9? Number 9 for the attack. Wala, number 32. Comes for the service. Nice. Nice short. Yes! Sabi ni Chris, ba't nakakatulit pa to? Bigay ko na. Isa pa, Chris. Isa pa. Isa pa. Chris, number 16. Oh. Oy! Oy! Number 24 is giving. Giving opposite. Impact. 12-21. Roll back for the service. Nice service. Safe one. Comes Chris. Another Chris. Free ball for the pancake. Chris. Simple lang si Chris, no? Pero sabi niya, ano kayo? Long hair pa din ako. Service. Set number 8. Attack by 24. 24 is really giving. You're giving me the eagle fly. Nakasalamin pa yan. Paano pag tinanggal yan? Eh di, wala ka na. Wala. Pakayan. Sabi niya, pakayan. Lovely. Outside Chicago. 23-13 in favor of the Wolfpack. Service, Chris. Set the counts. Very awkward there. Very awkward spike. Very nakayanan. Ayan na naman siya! Nabasa ka na daw! Sabi ni Lili, hindi ko alam English eh. Sabi ni Lili, English kasi hindi ko alam. I don't know. Service by number 8, Chris. Short. 2.3 inches. Pasok yun. Kung tumalon. Short, diba? Oo. Good receive from Chris. Breaks again! 1.74 centimeter. Pasok yun din. Set number 1 goes to Wolfpack Bristol BR1 E2B. Yun kasi yung home court nila. Wait lang, clear. Wait, clear. Meron tayong 4 pala dito. Congratulations, Bristol Wolfpack. That ends the season. Sorry. Uy, alam mo, Chantal, sa club natin ha, magkakaroon tayo ng mga Pancake 101, ikaw yung leader nun, Pancake 101, Roll 101. Diba? Oo, may mga league tayo ng ganyan. Siya yung Pancake League. Pancake Champion! Oh, love it! Tsaka Sushi Roll Champion. Oh, I so love it! Tapos gusto ko si Mark Pandillo would be the Digger Champion. Digger yan eh. Digger. Ball digger. Ah! Diggy! Best! Libero ka talaga. Love it. Bigyan mo yung opposite ng outside mo. Yung outside tayo mo, may outside din. Pero ang galing mo. I commend you for that, my pancake. Okay! Second set for our game number 5 starts now. Pancake to serve for the set. Mike Del Import is now joining the team. Uy, tatalaga si Mike. Bago-bago, banda. Inside. Lalabay. Wait lang ha, may score lang ako. Di ako naglaro. Baka naman. Pili ko may second na ano, may second RP. Kanino kaya yan? Sino kayo second went? Steve! Oh, shit! Sarap! Nice! Miscommunication from number 13 and number 4. Asan siya? Ayaw naman. Nickelodeon. Nickelodeon. Pwede bang kapay niya? Hindi na. Yan, hindi yung bola na ano eh. Susunod ko anong sinabi mo. Mike for the service. Set by Renan. Attack by Chris. Pero outside. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Service from Mike Casimbe. Pero outside. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Chris with black hair, serving. Ang taas! Isikawa sa simula. Huli! Paano? Naging bini after. Chris with blue hair service. Received by 24, set by A, free ball, Mike to receive, set by Cavs, number 18 at that. Oh! Lovely! Touch by touch. Ilan lang ang kayang mag-underhand, pero tama. Nice. Binigay lang. Set by Camps again. Ay! Set. Attack na naman by 24. Give it. You're giving like, flying one. Giving, kasi ano kung takala ng giving, nagbibigay? Ang pangit. 7-0. In favor of no one. Kasi nga all, girl. Papuntang Bristol, Renan. Wala kasi makasabihin na matanda. Bata kasi Renan. Face, very bata. 7-9 in favor of the Pancakes. Uy! 2.73 centimeter na talon. Short. Short din naman. Tingin mo. Ay, yung talon. Service from 24. Yun na! Chapter! Okay. Set by number 8, going to Jenna. Set by counts again, 18. Good defense from the Wolfpack. Oh! How is the ankle? It's all good. The ankle is all good. Lovely. Gusto ko yung shoes niya, yung Neon Green. Magandang Mizuno yan. Ay, Asics. Pero gusto ko kay Harry. Where's Harry? I like your Mizuno. Yung nasa ano? Yung nasa Torno. Ay. Akin na lang shoes master ah. Pag di kasi ipopost ko lang sa boxes ko. Service of the Wolfpack. Set by comes again and Luis. Set by 8. Oh my. Substitution. Jenny. Check. Libero. Fine. 10-11 in favor of the Pancakes now. We got a short serve again. Yes, short. 2.83 na lang yun. Another. Paano magbaba ng short serve eh? Makipot siya. Makipot si number 8. Para kang Mariana Trench, eh. Malalim, pero hindi makipot. Makipot yun. Malalim, pero makipot. Magkaiba yun. Sigilan niyo ako. Free ball. Ayan na nga! Don't receive and dig! Free ball for the Wolfpack. From the Wolfpack. Ritz. Uy! Oy! Delayed rolling. Pero again, I want the rolling. Gusto ko yung mga roll. Tuloy niyo yung roll. Outside Chicago from Carlos Angeles. Kanya kasi yung Chantal, corn out. Kanya kasi yung hugis Jamie Ron na gusto ka. Ganyan no. Mendoza siya eh. Mendoza yan. Yan yung hugis niya. Hindi niya magawa eh. Nice. Oh! Oh my! Check talaga. She's okay. Service ace from number 4. All 30. You're giving me a wolf serve. There you go. Wow. Pancakes for the lead. Oy! Good siya sana. Sana. Good siya talaga. Pagod na si Chris, yung black hair. Yung isa kasi Targaryen. 30-60 in favor of the pancakes. Mike Casipe for the service. Ayan na. Free ball for the pancakes. Set by Camps. Chris with the blue hand. Free ball again for the pancakes. Comes the set. Ritz, bigay lang. Anak, ready God, you're so giving talaga. Love it. It's giving me like an outside and the opposite of the middle hitter. Alam mo yun. You're so bi, multi-bilingual. Mike for the receive. Fritz for the... Okay. Set. Ayan na nga. Bibigay na lang po. Oh! Chris with the blue hair gets that point. Napagod si Chris with the black hair. Substitution. Hey, very nice service. Set by number 8. Attack again by Jen. Lovely. Set by Cams. Attack by 18. Oy! 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 Kaya yung wall pa napunta sa tayo. Kinain ng Viper ang mga walls. Oh! Sarap naman. Ay, sorry. I'm so overwhelmed. Time out! Whoa! Nakadaka na daw kasi kaya okay. Mangyarap ko muna ng ice.
Ano? Grabe ba itong galing yung Pilipino ko?
30 seconds. Ano? Game number 5. Nawala lang. Go back to the ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do this. So far, kayo. Medyo service, Chris with the blue hair from Pancakes. Service, nice service. Free ball for the Thunder. Thunder, mali-tuloy ako. Nice. Oy, free ball for the Pancakes. Set by Cams. Pinasa ni Luis. Free ball again for the Pancakes. Good thing! Girl, muntik nang pabalang yung mukha mo sa table. Kaya naman pala, magaling si number 24, nakakairi kasi siya. Oh, kairi ko. Uy! Free ball for Pancakes. 18! Nice! Set again by Cams. Set by Renan. 24, giving! Not yet giving! Oy! Set by number 8, 24 again, giving! Oy! Not yet! Set by number M, hindi ko alam. Okay, there you go. Set by Fritz. Binibigay ni Chris na ka-blue hair. Set by Nate. Jen will give it. Jen will give it. Binigay ni Jen. 50. 15, 20, 20 in favor of the pancakes. Service. Nice receive from Mike. Set by number 8. 80. There you go. Nice coverage from the Wolfpack. Outside Chicago. Okay, 21-15. See Pancakes. Set by Renan. Giving. Not yet giving. Set by Mike. 3 ball for the Wolfpack. Set by 8. Giving. Giving. You're giving me Pagong. You're giving me Spike. Very demure. Very proper. Proper. Ang galing naman bumay mo. Number 24. Nice, number 18. Very good. Set by Cox. Hindi pala mag-set pa. Kex. Set by number 8. Binibigay ba? Hindi kinaya ni Cox ang bending. 21, 17. Kailangan mo na ba ng top boxing? Service by the number 24 Giving. There you go. Fritz. Nice. Set by A. Ibibigay ba? Set by Cox. 18. Set by A. Ibibigay ba? Oy! Nagugulo ang rotation ng kabila. Nag-spike ang kanilang libero. Ay libero. Setter, ladies and gentlemen. Gia Mario. By the way, Mr. Gia, number 24 is just 17 years old. You're giving. You are giving a good future. You know what I mean? Punta ka ng NHS, RDP, apply ka as a nurse. Good service from Jen, same one. 3 ball for the Wolfpack. Set by number 8, Chris. Denied! 3 ball. Nice. Set by Hams. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is so uncontrolled. Tumalon si Chris na nag-blow ang buhok. Walang bola. Oh my. Air hockey. Sinunod. Chris again. Denied by the net, darling. Do you want to come and see? Service. Roll back. Good service. Set by Cal. Set right for the block. Ayan na naman po ang ating setter. Nice coverage. Set by Cal again. 3 ball for Wolfpack. Set by 8. Renan. Nice! 20, 23 in favor of Pancakes. Pero mahabol ang Wolfpack. Service by number 8. Good service. Safe. Chris! Free ball. Outside. Free the field ball. Nasa outside kasi. Match ball. Set ball for the Pancakes. Service for Counts. Good receive. Set by number 8. Renan. Nice one. Set by number 18, Mike. Oy! Set by 8 again. Number 4. Nice by 5. Set by number 8. Chris. Receive. Set by number 4. Rena. Free ball. Free ball. Inside by Chris in the black hair. Chris in the black hair from the House of Star, you know? Kasi yung kabila House of Star Garden. Service for the Wolfpack. Nice receive. Comes Aboy. 22, 24. In favor of the Pancakes to proceed with our third set. Ayaw magpaawat ng Bristol for now. Sabi nila, wag daw muna. Bibigay lang free ball. Set. Already given. Nice one. I saw the line fall in the middle there. All the... Kita-kita pa ang kanyang left foot. Time out! Pancakes! Score dito po. 23-24 in favor of Pancakes. Madali tayo ngayon. So, second. Gusto kasi. Pancakes na tayo sa performance. For Pancakes so that we can proceed to our third set or else free ball set by Cams. Free ball again for Wolfpack. Set. 24 all. Again. Raise to 25. We don't have any rules. This is the first time for the season to reach all 24. Critical service for the Wolfpack. Ladies and gentlemen, nice service. Safe. Set. Very nice. Set. That is a really close fight, ladies and gentlemen. First for the season to reach all 24. Nice game, Pancakes and Wolfpack. Next game can be called Thornton Warriors and Thompson Sandbergs. We will start at 152. 153. 153, ladies and gentlemen. Almost perfect lang kasi ako, hindi ako perfect.